To others, it looked like an ordinary nut, but in Jeremy's hands, it was the perfect bait for catching big fish. He gently cracked open the nut with a knife and extracted a high-protein insect from inside. He then hooked it onto a fishing line and cast it into the water, and soon a small fish took the bait. Jeremy hooked the small fish onto his line and cast it out again, quickly catching an even larger fish, a species known locally as the destroyer, a ferocious, predatory fish. But it would also serve as Jeremy's next bait. Late at night, Jeremy suddenly heard a commotion by the river, but for safety's sake, he didn't rush over to investigate. When he checked the next morning, he found the bait was gone. Had it been swallowed by a large fish or stolen by another creature? To uncover the truth, Jeremy immediately set up multiple cameras along the riverbank for real-time monitoring. Jeremy had come to the rainforest this time in search of a giant fish nearly 10 feet long. In the mid-20th century, two fishermen were suddenly attacked by a massive fish while fishing. They immediately swung their sickles to fight back. It is said the fish was large enough to swallow an adult whole, and it was only thanks to the sharpness of their sickles that they managed to drive it off. They then rallied the entire village to capture the monster, but strangely, even after the villagers combed the nearby waterways, they could not find the creature they described. As time passed, the incident faded from memory, but Jeremy remained firmly convinced. There are two types of fish in the Amazon basin that could be described as monsters. The first is the well-known Arapaima. Although they are massive, there have been no recorded instances of them devouring humans. The second is the enormous Piraiba, which can grow up to 10 feet in length. There have been reports of a Piraiba swallowing a fisherman whole. Jeremy had previously caught a Piraiba in the Amazon, but that fish wasn't large enough to swallow an adult. This time, he returned to the Amazon rainforest, determined to go all in and find the giant catfish capable of devouring a human.